Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Friday morning, and we are weekend ready here on the Coffee with Craig show, here with Winston Norman. Winston, good to see you.
All right, Craig, how are you doing today?
Good. I hear big marathon coming up on Sunday.
Yeah. Watch this space.
Yeah. Under four
Personal
hours.
bests.
Yeah, excellent.
Maybe we'll see.
We'll see on Monday morning. We'll get the official news, but on marathon running. But let's shoot over and let's do the headlines for the Friday afternoon.
Okay, so we'll start off in Poland, and Partners Group and Peakside have secured a prime last mile location in Warsaw. GLP has acquired a logistic property in Gdansk. CTP has completed the latest structure of its latest Romanian park, and investment volume in Romania for the first half of the year is estimated at around 181 million euros.
Right. Well, a lot of interesting things going on. Well, this Friday, we're going to talk a little bit about our CRE awards, which we're doing in Hungary. Hungary at the InterContinental in Budapest. We've on October 19th. Great event. A lot of new sponsors. A lot of action there. We've got.
I see you've got your phone open.
I got my phone open just to read off all of names. Yeah, a lot going on. We've got our premier partner, GTC. Our premier partner, GTC. Great to have them on board. AFI Europe Serbia is also involved. Wired Score, which we know is the big green building score sheet for becoming really, I think in Central Eastern Europe, becoming really the platform to use these days. GLP is also one of our award sponsors. Newmark VLK Hungary, also great to have them. We've got our CEE Flex office partner, who we know is Newark. Yeah, Newark also great. Panattoni is on. DHL, Revitas Capital, CDDI, Corporate Due Diligence Investigation. InPark is one of our corporate table partners. Hello Parks, which is one of the big players there in that section. Also part of Futo Real Group. Also Wing, of course, doing a lot in Poland, Czech, Hungary, of course, and Germany now. Eston Agency, WorkCloud24 is our ESG partner. Auditor for the awards always is Ernst & Young, EY. And we've got several media partners, Office Rent, Warehouse Rent.info joining us as well. So big lineup for the CRE awards. And in Hungary, of course, covering Czech Republic, Slovakia, Western Balkans, Serbia, Montenegro, Croatia, Slovenia, Slovakia, of course. So quite a bit of coverage there, and really the event is 5th year, so a lot of exciting things. Maybe a little bit more entertainment, a little bit more of our 5th year drinking contest or something.
Yeah,
so 5 years.
I'm quite surprised. It's going very well.
Yeah, 5 years. So how are we doing on the nominations? Are we getting that's the sponsorships?
Yeah. Nominations are still coming in.
Yeah.
We're still processing the nominations, but yeah, we're covering most sectors, obviously, and we've got some new sectors that we're covering as well, which is PRS. I would imagine, which is picking up in those parts, and like from Serbia and Montenegro, we've got hotel and resorts,
right,
and Serbia, offices very big down there, and also logistics.
Yeah, right.
And warehouse are also very. It's becoming kind of a transportation hub.
Yeah, and Mihal I was just talking to Mihal. He said he's our manager for the nominations. A lot of that, he was pretty busy. He said deadline next week, so get in your nominations. Anyway, let's take a little break. We'll shoot right back with Winston Norman in the news. So coming back, we'll start off the news with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief. We also have our CEE Investment Awards coming up the week after the CRE Awards in Budapest. So 26th, we have our CEE Investment Awards. Here in Warsaw, also going very well. We talked about it, or we will be talking about it more on Monday. Who are the sponsors, who are the nominees, a lot of exciting things there. So Expo Real, 2 weeks later, CRE Awards in Hungary, and then 1 week after that is our investment awards in Warsaw. So we're helping fill up the calendar with things to do.
Yeah, you're keeping us busy.
Exactly. So Winston, let us know what's going on this Friday afternoon.
Right, thanks, Craig. So Partners Group and Peakside Capital have completed, they've acquired a 5-hectare plot in Okęcie, Warsaw, and they're describing it as an exceptional last-mile location. It's located near the airport there, and it's been earmarked for a sustainable warehouse development dedicated to urban logistics. And according to Lukas Krupp, he's a member of the management board at Partners Group. This JV reflects Partners Group's strong conviction in the last mile and big box logistics sectors across Europe. And Roman Skovronski, he's the managing director at Peakside. The combination of prime locations and a focus on sustainable solutions is crucial in our pursuit of ambitious projects that promise to deliver significant returns and investment value. Yeah, so it sounds like a great project that they're working on there.
Absolutely. A lot of fun there.
Staying in the logistics and warehouse sectors, and GLP has acquired 11,500 square metre logistics centre in Gdansk. The project was delivered by 7R in 2021, and it's currently used by FMCG and grocery brands as the tenants. And this particular transaction has strengthened GLP's position in the Tri-City region. They've developed around 200,000 square metres.
So another big one
to date. Yeah. And this particular location it's situated close to Gdansk deep water container terminal, now known as the Baltic Hub.
Yeah.
It was formerly called DTC Gdansk. And according to Marek Yandus, investment and asset manager at GLP Europe, the acquisition of this property strengthens our presence in the Gdansk region and complements our existing logistics portfolio. Staying in the logistics and warehouse industries and moving to Romania, and CTP has completed the structure of its latest production and logistics project, which is CTP Park Arid West. And the latest scheme is heralded as an important industrial centre and transportation hub, and it's because it's close to both the Hungarian and Serbian borders. And the first phase will comprise 44,000 square metres and is already 40% pre-let and is set for completion in the first quarter of 2024. And finally, for today, staying in in Romania, and Cushman & Wakefield Equinox announced that investment volume for the first half of the year reached 181 million euros, and which is down 43% compared to the same period last year, which is no great surprise there, as the whole region has taken a bit of a hit in investment over the last year. Deal volumes include the largest share went to industrial and logistics, followed by office, retail, and then hotels. And during the first half of the year, the biggest transaction was CTP's acquisition of FM Logistics for 60 million euros. And according to Christy Mogger, head of capital markets at Cushman & Wakefield Equinox, if the key market parameters such as rents, occupancy rates, and sales remain in positive territory, we can expect the transactional activity to resume its growth in the next 6 to 12 months.
Yeah, so a lot going on this for a Friday afternoon.
Yeah, September's a busy time of year, so there is a lot going on.
Exactly. Well, thank you all for watching this week's Coffee with Craig show. We're wrapping it up for the weekend, so enjoy the race, and we'll see you Panettone Monday morning, yeah?
Hopefully.
All right, yeah, hopefully. All right, have a good day. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.